In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to an email on Klaviyo. This process is essential if you want to make your emails more interactive and engaging, ultimately driving your recipients to take specific actions, such as visiting a website or landing page. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to klaviyo.com. If you haven't done so already, log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Klaviyo dashboard. Here you'll want to navigate over to either the campaigns or flows section. This is where you manage the emails you send to your audience. Now you can choose to work with an existing campaign or flow, or if you're feeling creative, you could even start a new one. To do this, simply click on the campaign or flow you want to edit. Once inside, you should look for the option to edit the campaign. This step is crucial because it opens up the email editor, where all the magic happens. Once you're in the email editor, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, amidst various options, locate the button block. It's under the blocks section. This is the building block you need to add a button to your email. To insert it, just drag and drop the button block into the part of your email layout where you'd like the button to appear. After you've added the button, a button editor will pop up, offering a plethora of customization options. Let's start with the button text. This is crucial, as it's the call to action your subscribers will see. Popular choices include phrases like shop now or learn more. Make sure it resonates with what you want your audience to do. Next, you'll want to set the URL. This is where your button will lead to once clicked. It can be any URL of your choice, a product page, your website's homepage, or even a special promotion you're running. Now, to make your button align with your brand's aesthetics, you can customize its style. This includes changing the button's color, size, alignment, and padding. You also have the option to modify the button font's type, size, and weight for a more personalized touch. Once customized to your liking, it's time to preview your email. You'll want to ensure everything looks great and the button seamlessly integrates with the rest of your content. Then, to confirm everything is working correctly, send a test email to yourself. This allows you to check if the button functions properly and links to the intended URL. Finally, if everything looks good and functions as it should, save your work. You can then proceed to send or schedule your campaign at your convenience. And there you have it. You've successfully added a button to your Klaviyo email.